Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So today we are back at CVS for the second week of the CVS sales ad. So the exact same extra care bag deals are going on as in last week's video, but we did have all of the extra care bag deals reset on Sunday today. And we have new digital coupons and rebates to work with. Before we get started, I did recently post a few different videos on Instagram and TikTok. And if you guys want to support me in a way that's free, if you can give those videos a watch, a like, and a comment, I would appreciate it so much. I'll have them linked in the description box, the pinned comment, and in the Google Doc. So anywhere that you guys want to find them, you can. If you do take a second out of your day to do that on those videos, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to thank you. So this week, my plan at CVS is to do a rolling extra care bucks transaction. I've been doing that every single week. And so the way that I've been doing it is kind of like explaining it in a way where you can start with no extra bucks if you are new to couponing, and that's the way that I present it in my short form content. And then of course in my long form content, I know that all of you guys probably have extra bucks on all your accounts and you're doing rolling scenarios with extra bucks from previous weeks. So I hope that those rolling extra care bucks receipts breakdown at the end of the video are helpful. Instead of doing like different deals on each of my cards, I've kind of been focusing on one card per week and then using the extra care bucks I have to do like a 4 transaction rolling scenario. So we're going to do the exact same thing this week. Like always, I'll go over the new deals that were not in last week's video towards the beginning of this video and the repeat deals towards the end. So with all that being said, let's get into the deals. One deal that I did not know about last week was on Dove bar soap. Their buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck, and the 3.17 size ounce bars at $2.69 are included. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $5.38. You'd pay that, get back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of them $1.38 or just 69 cents each. Garnier Fructis are 2 for $9 and buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So grab 2 and you can use the new 3 off 2 digital coupon that we just got and you'll pay $6, get back the $3 extra buck, making 2 of them just $3 or $1.50 each. We did just get a $2 Ibotta rebate on CVS Health Cold and Flu, so you can grab these sore throat lozenges at $4.49 and they'd be just $2.49 after the $2 Ibotta rebate. Some of the more expensive Olay facial care is spend $30, get back an $8 extra buck. So you could grab one of the super serums at my store. They're $41.29. And then you're going to clip and use a 10 off 40 coupon from the Coupon 24 app. And you'd be left to pay just $31.29. You get back your $8 extra buck, and that would make your final cost $23.29. But then we also have an Ibotta rebate for $7 back on the Olay super serum. So that's going to make this over $40 serum just $16.29. And if you don't already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box and in the pinned comment down below. You'll get a $5 bonus if you sign up with that link. Another way that you can do this deal is grabbing these Olay Regenerist serums at $34.49. Again, they're spend $30, get back an $8 extra buck. So grabbing one and you can use a $7 digital coupon that we just got this week starting on October 19th. So you'd use that and pay $27.49, get back your $10 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for a $6 rebate back. And that's going to make this over $30 serum just $11.49. The Neutrogena acne products are spend $10, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab one of the patches at $10.49. As you can see, my store is sold out. Grab one and use a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon. You'd pay $6.99, get back your $5 extra buck, and that would make this just $1.99. Aveeno facial care is spend $25 and you get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab one of these Positively Radiant scrubs at $11.19, and you're going to pair that with one of the daily moisturizing face lotions at $13.79. And those 2 items would total $24.98. So with the 98% rule, you're close enough to $25 to get back your $5 extra buck. And you're going to use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT, a $5 off for the face lotion, and then a $3 off for the cleanser or scrub, making your final cost out of pocket $11.98, but then you'll get back the $5 extra buck from spending $25 before coupons, and that makes your final cost for over $25 worth of Aveeno products just $6.98. The Neutrogena facial care is spend $30, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of these Hydro Boost cleansers at $13.49, and then grab 2 of the makeup wipes, the purple ones that are $8.29 each, and that will total you $30.07. And you can use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena CRT, as well as a 4 off 2 for the wipes and a $2.50 off 1 for the cleanser or scrubs. And you'll be left to pay $18.57, getting back the $10 extra buck, and that's going to make your final cost for all 3 products just $8.57. Another way that you can do the deal is by grabbing one of the Hydra Boost moisturizers at $30.79. Again, use the 5 off 20 CRT and then a $5 digital for the moisturizer that includes the Hydra Boost. And you'd be left to pay $20.79 and then you get back your $10 extra buck. And that would make this over $30 moisturizer just $10.79. Nivea body wash are buy one get one free this week, so you can grab 2 of the men's at $5.99, making 2 of them $5.99, and then you can use a $2 digital coupon for one of them. You'd be left to pay $3.99, and then you can submit for a $2 manufacturer coupon rebate from the Inbox Dollars app for the one that you did not use a digital coupon for, making your final cost for 2 of them just $1.99 after the digital coupon and the Inbox Dollars rebate. And if you don't already have Inbox Dollars, I have it linked in the description box down below. I'll also have it in the pinned comment. You can sign up with that link and you'll get a $5 bonus on top of the $2 Nivea rebate. If you like Dove hair care, we have a decent deal this week. They're $5.99 each and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So grab 2 totaling $11.98 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $7.98, getting back that $4 extra buck makes 2 of them just $3.98 or just $1.99 each. Not the best deal, but it is a decent savings on Dove. Okay, the Venus and Gillette cartridges are spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck. It is the same extra buck deal as the P&G laundry deal we're going to cover later in the video. So what you can do is just grab one of the Venus refills above $30. So at my store, this 6 count of the 5 blade razor refills is $33.49. So grabbing that, you could use a 6 off 24 Venus razor CRT if you have it. One of my accounts has that because I bought a lot of Venus razors on this account. After that and a $7 off one manufacturer digital coupon, you pay just $20.49, getting back your $10 extra buck. That would make a 6 count of razor refills for the 5 blades just $10.49, which is a really, really good deal. You could also do the same deal on the men's. This Gillette Skin Guard, it's an 8 count razor refill, is $37.49. With that, you can use an 8 off 35 Gillette CRT, and you can use a $7 off one digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $22.49, getting back the $10 extra buck would make this just $12.49. Another way that you can do the deal is by grabbing 2 of these Gillette Fusion 5s at $23.69 because the cartridges are buy one get one 50% off. So 2 of those would total $35.53. You could use the 8 off 35 Gillette CRT along with a $5 off one digital coupon for one of these. You'd pay $22.53, get back the $10 extra buck, and that would make 2 4-count refills just $12.53. The Gillette Foamy Shave Cream are buy one get one 50% off and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these totaling $5.83. You'd pay that, get back your $4 extra buck, and that would make 2 of these just $1.83. Degree deodorant is buy one get one 50% off and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these Degree deodorants, the Cool Rush at $6.29. 2 of those would total $9.43. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $6.43 and then get back your $4 extra buck. And that would make 2 of these just $2.43. And make sure to also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards because you should get some bonus points for buying Degree products, which is a Unilever brand, and Unilever usually does give some bonus points. Crest toothpaste are $4.99 and buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $9.98 and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $6.98, getting back that $5 extra buck. And that would make 2 of them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Another way that you can do the deal is by grabbing 4 of them totaling $19.96 since the extra buck deal is a limit of 2. And you can use a 6 off 3 digital coupon from the Coupon 24 app, a $1 off of 1 digital coupon from the Coupon 24 app, and then if you have it, a 4 off 20 Crest CRT, and you'd be left to pay $8.96. You'd earn back a total of $10 in extra bucks, and that would make 4 of these a $1.04 moneymaker. The Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 each and buy 2 get back a $5 extra bucks. You can grab 2 totaling $7.98, and you can use a $2 off 1 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $5.98, and then you'll earn back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of these just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The Persil 34-ounce laundry detergents are on sale for $6.99, and we do have a high-value $3 off 1 digital coupon, so that would make one of these just $3.99, no extra bucks, deal required. Another deal that we have on laundry detergent is on Purex. They're on sale for $9.99 for the big ones. Buy one, get back a $4 extra buck. So grab one, you pay $9.99, get back your $4 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for a $2 rebate back, making your final cost just $3.99. Now let's get into our spend 30 get 10 on P&G laundry products. For this first scenario, you can grab one of the Tide laundry detergent at $12.99, one of the Gain Flings at $12.99, and one of the Dawn Easy Squeeze at $5.99. And these three items will total $31.97. You can use a 3-off-1 digital for the Tide, a 3-off-1 for the Gain, and then a $2 off one for the Dawn Easy Squeeze. And you'd be left to pay $23.97. Getting back the $10 extra buck would make all three products just $13.97. That's a great deal for all three products. And if you also are a member of pgbrandsaver.com, if you want, you can redeem your points for a $5 OTC payment. It is a payment like a gift card, not like a coupon, so you can combine it with digital coupons, even if you're using a digital coupon for each product. And that would lower your out-of-pocket cost even more. It's definitely a great week to use your $5 OTC payment. Another spend 30 get back a $10 extra buck scenario is grabbing one of the big Charmin on sale for $15.99, one of the smaller Charmin on sale for $9.99, and one of the Dawn Easy Squeeze at $5.99. These three total $31.97, and we have a 5-off 20 that works for Charmin on Coupon 24. It's a digital coupon from Coupon 24. So with that applying and a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn, you pay $24.97, get back your $10 extra buck, making all three products just $14.97. The Scott 1000 toilet paper are on sale for $9.99 and spend $20, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $19.98 and use a $1 off one digital coupon. You'd pay $18.98, get back that $5 extra buck since we do qualify with the 98% rule. And that would make two of the Scott 1000 toilet paper just $13.98 or $6.99 each. Again, this week we have the Real Techniques and Eco Tools that are spend $15, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of these brush sets at $14.99. You'd pay that, get back your $10 extra buck, making one just $4.99. And if you have a % off CRT, you can use that and it'd make it even cheaper. Maybelline Cosmetics are buy two, get back a $6 extra buck, and I know a lot of people really like the Great Lash Mascara, so what you can do is grab two of those at $8.59, totaling $17.18. Use a 3-off 15 Maybelline CRT, the $4 instant CRT that we got again this week, and you can use a $2 digital manufacturer coupon that we just got, and you'd be left to pay $8.18. Earning back the $6 extra buck would make two of them $2.18. An even cheaper way that you can do the deal is grabbing one of the baby lips at $5.79 and one of the lip liners at $9.59, totaling $15.38. Use the same three digital coupons. It'll take off a total of $9, and you'd be left to pay $6.38. Earning back your $6 extra buck would make both of these just 38 cents. The $2 digital is not attaching to the baby lips, but it is attaching to the lip liner. Another way that you can do the Maybelline deal is grabbing two of the baby lips at $5.79, totaling $11.58, and use the $4 instant CRT. You'd pay $7.58 and then earn back your $6 extra buck for buying two Maybelline products, making your final cost just $1.58 for two of the baby lips. NYX Cosmetics are buy two, get back a $6 extra buck, so you could grab two of the lip liners. They're priced between like $5 and $6, and you can use a 2-off 10 NYX CRT and get back the $6 extra buck, which would make it a really great deal for stocking up on NYX lip liners. These lip liners are some of my favorite drugstore lip liners. Tums are buy two, get back a $5 extra buck this week, and if you look at the checkout, you should be able to find the small packs. At my store, they're $3.49. So grabbing two of those totals $6.98. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making two of them $1.98. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $1.99 each, so you can grab two of them totaling $3.98 and use a $1 off two digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $2.98, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on two boxes, and that's going to make your final cost just $1.98 for both boxes or 99 cents each. And make sure to check your Fetch Rewards app to see what bonus points offers you have. You may have some bonus points there where you can get even more money back. All right, you guys, so I did 4 transactions today, actually 5 in total, 4 rolling on one card, and then 1 just like solo transaction on one of my second cards. So on this first transaction for rolling, you would spend $9 out of pocket in total, grabbing 4 of the Crest toothpaste at $4.99, using the 4 off 20 CRT, the 6 off 3 coupon 24 coupon, and the $1 off 1 coupon 24 coupon. Since we're buying a total of 4, you can use both of those coupon 24 coupons and the CRT. You'd be left to pay just $9. I used a $5 extra buck that I already had, paid like $4 out of pocket between my 2% extra bucks and cash out of pocket, and then got back $10 in extra bucks. It was the $5 for buying 2 of the Crest toothpaste, limit of 2. So since it was a limit of 2, I got back a total of $10 in extra bucks. So this first transaction would have been like $9 out of pocket if you didn't have any extra bucks starting, or it would have been a $1 moneymaker net cost, since you would roll or spend $9 out of pocket or $9 in extra bucks, and then you'd get back $10 in extra bucks. Okay, then transaction number 2 for rolling the extra bucks, rolling our $10 extra buck from transaction 1 into this transaction 2. You can grab 2 of the Dove bar soap at $2.69 each. It's the 3.75 or 3.17 ounce sizes in the body wash aisle, and then grabbing 2 Maybelline products as close to $15 as possible. So I did a $9.59 lip liner and a $5.79 baby lips, and I used my 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, $4 instant CRT for Maybelline, and $2 digital coupon for Maybelline. And then I rolled in my $10 in extra bucks, paid about $2 out of pocket, so it was like $12 total out of pocket between extra bucks and cash. I spent just $1.75 before tax rolling my $10 extra buck, and then I got back $10 in new extra bucks. It was $6 for buying 2 Maybelline and $4 for buying 2 Dove. So this transaction had an out-of-pocket cost of $1.75 and a net cost of just $1.75, since it was spending 10 extra bucks and getting back $10 in extra bucks. Rolling extra bucks transaction 3, we did the Garnier Fructis and then the Nivea men's body wash. I used my 3 off 2 digital for the Garnier Fructis and the $2 off 1 for the Nivea men's body wash. And then I used my $10 in extra bucks from transaction 2 from the Maybelline and the Dove deal. Paid nothing out of pocket, but then got back my $3 extra buck for buying 2 of the Garnier Fructis. So out of pocket cost of $0, getting back the $3 extra buck, but a net cost of $7 since we spent $10 in extra bucks and got back only $3 in extra bucks. And then we're going to roll that $3 in extra bucks into our 4th and last transaction in this rolling extra bucks scenario. All right, final transaction. Our 4th transaction in our rolling scenario is the Persil. It's on sale for $6.99. We used the $3 digital coupon and then used the $3 in extra bucks from transaction 3. So spent out just 99 cents out of pocket, 99-cent rolling out of pocket cost, and a net cost of about $4, $3.99, since we used $3 in extra bucks and 99 cents out of pocket and got back no extra bucks. So calculating our final out of pocket cost for all 4 transactions. In transaction 1, if you came in with no extra bucks for the Crest scenario, you would have spent $8.96 on the 4 Crest toothpaste out of pocket. In transaction 2, on the Maybelline and the Dove, you'd spend $1.75 out of pocket. Transaction 3, $0 out of pocket, and then transaction 4, 99 cents out of pocket. So in total, that's $11.70 out of pocket for everything we got in all 4 transactions, coming in with no extra bucks. Okay, and my last transaction, I did this on a different card. I did the Dove deal with the Maybelline again because I thought it was such a good deal. And also I needed a new brow pencil, and this is the brow pencil I use. So I figured I would do the Maybelline deal and get something that I actually need. So I paired that with the single mono eyeshadow for $4.99. So my $2 digital for the Maybelline came off, my $4 CRT, my 3 off 15 CRT for the Maybelline, and I had a $10 extra buck on this account. So I ended up paying out of pocket $3.19 plus tax. So it was like between extra bucks and cash, it was $13.19 out of pocket, and then I got back $10 in extra bucks, $6 for the Maybelline and $4 for the Dove. So this transaction had a final cost of just about $3.19. So I think that's a really, really good deal for getting, what is that, like $17 in Maybelline products plus 2 Dove bar soaps. So if you like this week's CVS deals video, and if it was helpful, please leave this video a like and a comment so it gets pushed out in the YouTube algorithm to more people, so more people can learn couponing at CVS. Also check out the links to my TikTok and Instagram posts in the description box, pinned comment, or in the Google Doc. If you guys can give those 3 videos on TikTok and Instagram a like and a comment and watch, I would really appreciate it. It's a way to support me in a way that's totally free, and I will catch you guys next week for a new week of deals.